Clean Arch command can be called through srjcad menu or by using toolbar or by command prompt. The short form to call Clean Arch command is cln. When this command is called, Clean Arch tab will be opened. We can select the color to be assigned for the objects using Select Object Color button. Select Object button is to set object color in selected area, and All Objects button is for to clean the entire drawing. Please note dimensions will be also deleted if we clean the drawing. I click Select Object to select particular area. Now the area we selected had been changed to the color 8 that we had set in tab.